Carburettor now.
Yeah, this is our carburettor.
Except you change the jets.
Yes. I'll put the 10 ones back in.
It went up no more.
There you are.
Yeah, we just.
Bend it down.
Oh no, you can get thinner ones. Yeah. The other one I brought out was thicker around there, and you couldn't get it in there. Yeah. But these you can make. You can buy them actually in the shop with a flexible end on and a square around it. Like they got 2 inch. You've got 2 different sizes. And they've got an angle one with one size on and an angle size with the other squares, and you just put them in and pick them up. Yeah. Well, in brake adjusters.
Wrong bit,
Yeah.
wrong.
What size is that?
It's just a 3/16 quarter.
Exhaust clip size.
Dennis! You know the little thing for knocking a valve guys out? Have you still got that?
Yep.
Oh, you still got that?
I forgot that, Larry.
Well, I was looking in the Ford Side Valve Club magazine.
A lot of work you're making there.
You alright, John?
Yeah.
They might expect a jig to hold them across the board.
Well, I've got to run through it.
Yeah, the outside's got to be...
Ford valve guns.
There's not this on that side, so it tightens it
Wow,
out.
I mean,
They had a lot of Ford engines for boats
in all sorts of things.
Oh yeah, in different things. Yeah. Not just for the motor.
Those used in generators, those used in little tractors. And a lot of these things are in preservation, you know.
Yeah.
And people all thought them start making those.
It's looking better all the while, Dennis.
Well, thanks for your effort.
The old Ford they checked it, and of course the later version they do it long. You remember you used to have the big old 12-volt battery, bloody massive. It's the only one I ever saw.
Glad to get your 2-speed, didn't you?
You swing it over, you have to swing it over.
Be nice, that, because it's so easy. It's so easy to drive after these.
You've got to have a new computer arrived.
Just put it in top mode, keep chunking along all day.
Isn't there a socket set available?
I don't think so. Well, nearly there now. As you say, that is the answer to it. I can feel it going tight now.
Very powerful, yeah. Any idea what the memory is?
That looks better. It's all in line now.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Great improvement, except for the view I've got of his
Oh, have you
behind.
got a picture of his back? The other thing really you ought to do, Dennis, is to curl that so it's angled out here.
2x8, isn't it? Is it 2x8?
What, so he can catch his ankle on it as he goes past?
Yeah.
No, so you don't get all the fumes on there, extra fumes up there.
Right.
That's what I use
No,
it for.
16G.
Oh, I'm just checking.
Well, there's the finished job for the bonnet.
Right, I'm going to show I'll see you.
Smarter than the carbuncle.
Big moment time, yeah?
Yeah, well, right then, mate. Well, thanks a lot.
Are you away then, Ed?
Yeah.
Give her a quick
You're
smile.
a bit
in the
early,
lens,
ain't you?
I've got my boxer, my
Give her a
magic
quick
box
smile
turned
in the
up.
lens.
I've had somebody coming down to show me how to operate it.
Oh,
You can have a driving lesson on
you're
the computer.
confusing the operator.
Confusing operator. I'll see.
All right, cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Ed's got an all singing, all dancing confuser now.
Different size.
No, that's I'm sorry.
Cool, that's an Allen key. That's a bit technical, isn't it? For a Ford model. Allen key job.
Oh, I can hear a car coming. It must be Eddie the Tent coming with
Eddie's put his car radio on.
his radio.
That looks a lot tidier now, doesn't it?
Look, that's got to be pushed up. Under there.
Can you get at it, John?
Yeah.
You want to show it one still, do you?
You've got something here, Brian, you don't see often. There's
What's that?
perforation, or even perspiration
Really?
flying down somebody's forehead. I mean,
Good
you have
God.
to photograph that.
Yeah. Anyway, this is Dennis's
This is my place in the sun.
F-type. He's greased the forks. He's actually put a nut on the sprocket and
Never seen so much
It's got all sorts of funny things on it.
It was working.
Yeah, the
Long tray down the middle.
sandwich place here.
And a battery.
Oh, you haven't read it. I saw it down. I haven't found read it. They finished Oh, you're trying to get it out here? Not advertised in here, is it? No.
And he said, the book I bought it from said you might still have a spare wheel.
Oh.
So I wrote and said, yeah, I'll go, you can have it. Come and collect it. Come to the doctor. Come up here. Said, he bought this from the chap who bought it from me. It was a dealer. He advertised it's 500, do you remember?
Yeah.
And he had a picture of it in the old bike mark.
That's right.
He said, what was the registration number? I said, they checked. He said, he sold that, got another number on it now.
Ah, that's
And he was advertising for 500, but this bloke paid 400 for it.
What make was it, Clarrie?
Dirk up Diana.
Oh, Cop Diana's good, yeah.
Actually, this bloke was a real enthusiast. He said, you know, I've had him all my life. And he said, I wanted this particular model. He said, it's a pity you hadn't looked at the old bike mark, you'd have saved yourself £200.
Yeah.
And he would have kept the original number.
Yeah.
Because what I said to you, I saw it in old bike mark, then I go.
That's right,
Yeah.
you could read the number on that.
That's
It was
right.
checked.
Yeah.
But he said, no, he's got another number on it now.
Oh, he sold the number on.
Cool.
He
So
made a fair bit out of that deal.
yeah.
Did yours down the floor?
But he's had it a long time though, since I sold it.
71. Oh, it's a V12 yours.
He couldn't
I
sell it
always thought
quickly.
yours was a Mark
Was
1.
how long you had the milling machine? Because you got rid of it for the milling machine, didn't you?
Well, the milling machine has been, must be nearly 2 years now.
Yeah.
I think.
So what are you doing now?
About to swear. Just tightening up the.
See what, this is a rebuilt carburettor, and then you've had the manifold on and off.
It's another carburetor that's just been.
Well, put together.
And yes, I had the
You think
manifold.
rebuilt's a bit
A bit
sort of,
extreme, yes. It's half inch.